Merry Christmas to everybody. This is Great Day Live in Des Moines on Christmas Eve, and we love music on the show. You've seen the show. You know how much we love music, and we love it on Christmas Eve especially. The Fred Gazzo Band is joining us right now. Hey, Fred, how are you, my friend?
Doing well. Thanks for having myself and my ranger conductor here, Jason Danielson. It's a pleasure to bring in the holidays here in Des Moines, Iowa.
Y'all ready for Christmas?
I'm ready. I was ready last year. I'm just delighted. And I love that that music is a integral part of the holiday, and I'm glad that we could be, able to bring a little cheer to you this morning.
Well, we're going to let you do that right now. The stage is all yours.
Thank you, my friend.
I'm dreaming tonight of a place that I love even more than I usually do. And although I know that it's a long road back, I promise you I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Won't you please have some snow and that mistletoe and those presents all around the tree. Christmas Eve, it's gonna find me where all of that love like gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams, if only in my dreams.
Well done, friend Gazzo.
Thank you very much.
On the Great Day solo stage. Don't forget, Fred and the band, Thursdays is when they perform over at Sam and Gabe's on Hickman. Yes, he's a regular there. FredGazzoBand.com for more information as to what is going on. But Fred, you're getting organized to sing another song for us, and I think you have something special lined up, don't you?
I do. This is a wonderful arrangement that my buddy Mr. Jason here put together. Jason is like I said earlier, he's my arranger, my conductor, and I think what a lot of folks don't realize in band life is that most of the tunes that folks hear when they're listening to live music, there really are no ready available charts that band members can grab a hold of. So you have to have somebody chart it out, somebody write it for the individual parts, and that's where my man Jason Danielson comes into play. And this is a piece that we took a couple tunes. This kind of brings in the New Year's as well, which New Year's Eve will be at Sam and Gabe's Italian Bistro out in Urbandale, 9 o'clock till like 12:30 a.m. So if you want to try to squeeze in and get some New Year's action going on, it'll be a full band. So we'll have horns and bass, piano, drum, the full deal going on. And we would love to see you there. So everybody have a wonderful holiday, and we'll see you soon.
Christmas time is here. Happiness, lots of cheer, fun for all that the children call their favorite time of the year. Snowflakes in the air, carols everywhere, are the olden times and the ancient rhymes of love and dreams that we could share. Maybe it's much too early in the game. Oh, but I thought that I'd ask you just the same. What are you doing New Year's? New Year's Eve, I wonder whose arms they're gonna hold on to you good and tight when it's exactly 12 o'clock that night. Oh, welcoming in that New Year's, that New Year's Eve. Maybe I'm crazy if I could suppose I'd ever be the one that you chose.